In the present world, dull hair, particularly in boarding schools, become one of the major issues and make living uncomfortable. Sweat, oil, and scalp oil produce unpleasant smells that interfere with daily life. In addition to the current hot weather issue, some of them include outside activities like leisure and co-curricular activities that make pupils sweat a lot.
Hey bro, what you doing bro? What's up bro?
What's up, bro?
What you doing?
I'm studying Chinese language, bro.
Studying Chinese language. Alright. Oh, damn bro. You okay with your hair bro?
Yeah, my hair is a little bit itchy, bro.
It's itchy. Your hair's itchy. Damn bro. Wait, I'll be right back. Bro, I'm back. Here bro, some equipment.
What's this?
Some combs and what's this? Hair, I don't know, for the hair maybe?
Okay. Oh my god, bro, what's this? So disgusting. How am I going to study with this kind of... I hope this product will be more easy and less disgusting to use, bro. Yeah, I think so.
What should we do with this? I've got an idea.
This hairbrush includes a built-in container to store hair oil. To refill the hair oil, simply twist the bottle that serves as the built-in holder to disengage it. You may also automatically spray the oil by pressing the button on the back of the hairbrush without getting your hands messy. Our hairbrush also features a number of tiny openings that are hidden between the bristles of the brush in order to prevent them from being noticed by users.